Hello, friends. Friends, you might find that this I'm reiterating, but I keep on meditating on Namami Shamishan Nirvan Rupam, Vibhum Vyapakam Brahma Veda Surupam, Nijam Nirgunam Nirvikalpam Niriham Chidakashma Kashvasam Bhajeham. We all know what's the meaning of it. That which is present everywhere, that which is got, which is tangible and intangible, that which is, you know, that which is able to look around at everything, that form we worship, that which can listen, that which can interpret, that which can, process the information. In while doing analysis we talk like this, otherwise हम बहुत ही मन से इस रूप की आराधना करते हैं. और सबसे पहले ये बात करें कि उसकी आराधना हम करते क्यों हैं. Then we'll see that okay, we can do it, it's okay. But it's not only the doing that I'm referring to. I'm referring to the much deeper thing, which means कि हम उसकी आराधना करते हैं ऐसे रूप की क्योंकि वो रूप अज्ञात है, क्योंकि वो रूप हमें दिखता नहीं है, और क्योंकि हमें पता है कि ये पांचों तत्वों का मिक्सचर है, और क्योंकि हमें इसकी रचना का भी पता है, लेकिन रचना कैसे हुई, कब हुई, और वो रचना हम खुद कर भी नहीं सकते. वी कांट क्रिएट द सेल्फ, वी कैन ओनली वर्शिप दैट फॉर्म ऑफ द सेल्फ which is that form, which is able to do it, which is called Chidananda Rupa Shivoham, or which is Namami Shamishan Nirvan Rupam. But the fact that I'm hinting at is that we can't create that form. And if we can't create that form, we have to have reverence for that which we can't create, but we can make use of. I can make use of this form, but I can't create this form by myself. Isn't it true? You can't create human beings. That is creation, that is nature itself, right? Because you will say that okay, mother gives birth to a child, but does the mother do the inner creation? No. That creation which takes place initially in the womb of the mother is the nature itself. We all come from the womb of the mother, but उस अज्ञात रूप को बनाने की जो शक्ति है, हम उस शक्ति का आभास, उस शक्ति का एहसास और उस शक्ति की वंदना करते हैं, और वो किसी भी रूप में हो, whether it is in the whichever form you love to talk about it. You talk about it in the form of Buddha, you talk about it in the form of Shiva, you talk about it in the form of Jesus, you talk about it in the form of Mahavir Jain, or you talk about it in the form of Lakshmi, or Vidya, Saraswati, or Durga, whatever you say, whichever form satisfy you or the non-form satisfy you, you worship that. But the point is that the first thing is that we pay attention to it and we bow down to that form out of which everything emerges. We are the source of that energy, but we can't create the source. Source is there, it is already there, it exists by itself, and that is what we worship. And that is why I say that we have to have reverence for this form nature has given to us in abundance in this form, and let's try and do up to the hilt with this form, and let's be a supportive factor for each other and let the life flow. And life flow means that you allow the work to flow. Whatever action you take, it should be towards maintaining the flow of life. सागर है, नदी है, नहर है, तालाब है, लेकिन पानी पानी है, राइट? सो ओहरे ताल मिले नदी के जल में, नदी मिले सागर में, सागर मिले कौन से जल में कोई जाने ना. लेट्स रिमेन in that awe, in that wonder, and let's bow down to the mysteries of nature and carry forward. कहते हैं देखो दीवानो तुम ये काम ना करो, राम का नाम बदनाम ना करो. अगर आप राम जी का नाम लेते हैं तो आपने उनकी निष्ठा, उनकी आस्था और उनके प्रयत्न सभी को देखा होगा, और उस सभी को एक अपना मार्गदर्शन मानते हुए हम आगे चलते हैं. और सभी को आज की यात्रा शुभ और सभी के काम पूरे हों। श्री वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि संप्रभम निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। हम अपने काम रोकेंगे नहीं, हम मेडिटेट भी करेंगे, हम अपना ध्यान भी रखेंगे, हम डाइट भी अच्छे से लेंगे, हम जिंदगी के एहसास की कद्र भी करेंगे और नाकदरी बिल्कुल नहीं करेंगे। पहला धर्म निरोगी काया, वहाँ से शुरू करके हम कहानी वहाँ तक ले जाएंगे जहाँ पे जाके कि आप कहेंगे हाँ जीने का मज़ा आया। ओके, थैंक यू सो मच, गॉड ब्लेस यू, स्टे ट्यून, हैप्पी हेल्दी, जहाँ पे रहें उसे सुंदर बनाएं, ज़िंदगी को आगे बढ़ने दें, रुकावट नहीं डालेंगे मगर फ्लो में पूरा पार्टिसिपेट करेंगे। गॉड ब्लेस यू, बाय बाय।